Hey YouTube family! Today, we're diving into one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on Earth, the Grand Canyon. But what makes this colossal canyon so special? Why do millions of people flock here every year? Let's uncover the secrets of this incredible masterpiece of nature together. Where is the Grand Canyon, and how was it formed? Located in Arizona, the Grand Canyon stretches an impressive 446 kilometers in length and reaches depths of up to 1.6 kilometers in some areas. But how did this massive chasm come to be? Here's the fascinating part. It was carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, which slowly eroded the rock layers. Each layer of the canyon is like a window into Earth's past. What stories do these layers tell? A dance of colors. The Grand Canyon's visual spectacle. One of the most striking features of the Grand Canyon is its vivid colors. During sunrise and sunset, the canyon walls come alive with shades of orange, red, pink, and even purple. But how do these colors form? The answer lies in the canyon's geological makeup. The minerals in the rock layers interact with sunlight to create this breathtaking display. When do you think is the best time to witness this natural masterpiece? What can you do at the Grand Canyon? The Grand Canyon isn't just about stunning views, it's also a hub for thrilling adventures. Would you rather gaze at the canyon from the rim, go rafting on the Colorado River, or take a helicopter tour for a bird's-eye view? What adventure would you choose? The mysterious history of the Grand Canyon beyond its natural beauty. The Grand Canyon holds immense cultural and historical significance. For thousands of years, it has been considered a sacred place by Native American tribes. But what other secrets lie hidden in its depths? What mysteries are yet to be uncovered? Final question. Would you visit the Grand Canyon? If you could experience this incredible natural wonder, would you? What would you be most excited to see or do? Let me know in the comments below. And if you could visit any other natural wonder in the world, where would it be? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. See you in the next video.